Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate the support that some of you guys have been giving me. I really appreciate all the subscriptions, all the likes, all the shares. Thank you very much. And let's get into the video. We're going to be making breadfruit salad. This is a salad that I think you guys will enjoy. I know you guys will enjoy this one. So please stick around and watch me prepare this one. So guys, we're going to peel the breadfruit, get rid of the skin, and then cut the middle out. We're going to cut the breadfruit half-inch thick cubes. We want to cut them uniform. Just like that. So guys, we're going to put the breadfruit to boil for about 20 minutes or until it's tender. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then put the saltfish to boil for about 15 minutes to get rid of the excess salt. The onion, the sweet pepper, the hot pepper, and the garlic, we're going to mince them extremely fine because it's not palatable to be biting and large chunks of onion, especially garlic. Extremely fine, guys. So everything is prepped and ready. We got our saltfish that has been boiled and deboned. We got breadfruit pre-cooked. We got the egg white and your egg yolk separated. Egg white chopped. So here we have the egg yolk, guys. We're going to add the mayonnaise and we're going to mix this well to incorporate everything until it has a creamy consistency. Looking lovely so far. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, share the video with your friends and families. I'd appreciate that. So guys, let's add the egg white. And then our mixed veggie. Then add our cooked breadfruit. And then incorporate everything. So I'm adding half teaspoon of black pepper. You can add other seasoning, guys. You could add cayenne pepper. You could add pepper flakes. You could add all-purpose seasoning. And here you have it, guys, our finished product. This is one beauty. This is smelling really good and it tastes really good as well. Go ahead and try this recipe, guys. You guys won't regret this one.